The Minister of Local Governance and Public Works, Daniel Garwe, has warned that the ruling party will soon take decisive action against all veteran Blessing Geza. Sera pana mashoko ashamisa vana tokona kuti aiwa vakomana panapa vana Garwe vari kuthreatena aiwa Blessing Geza pamusoro peko unmaska kwakaita nekufumura corruption iri kuitika aiwa muleadership munyika yeZimbabwe. Ndibva subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipina panapa during a meeting with the CEO servants in Masvingo on Thursday, Garwe threatened Geza saying, Blessing Geza ndi Boki. Saka takurova Boki, tone kuti akatuma nani. Pane akatuma Boki kuti ataure zvisina basa, which translates to Blessing Geza is a puppet, so we will deal with him and see who sent him. Someone is controlling him to speak nonsense. Geza, who is a war veteran, caused a stir last week when he held a press conference attacking senior ZANU-PF and government officials, including President Emmerson Mnangagwa. While Geza did not specify who he referred to as his master, speculation remains about the internal faction within the party. Garwe made it clear to civil servants and ZANU-PF supporters at the Masvingo Polytechnic that Geza is being manipulated by someone from within the party. Geza is being controlled by a master and he is going to be jailed over corruption, Garwe said, reinforcing the government's stance against the war veterancy allegations and statements. Additionally, Garwe took the opportunity to prepare US President Donald Trump, who is planning to send back 504 Zimbabweans who are reportedly illegally detained in the USA. Tomashwana kudaita kwapana patona kuti aiwa vakomana vakutorongera vakomana mavo veterans ava chiti aiwa pane vanhu vari kuvatuma ino vanhu vari kuvatuma varimo zvekare within the party. Masuspect anokuzikanwa kuti vanenge vakutongopointa out kuna VP, but now yekuzoti aiwa Blessing Geza must be jailed panguva ino ndo inhau ichazorambwa nevanhu. Imbudisa mafungiro enyu vari kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda musection medu, subscribe or like, and on the bell icon.